Hello, Vidura here. I want to show you the replication of the magnetic diode setup, which was posted lately on the forum. I have here a single switch, single MOSFET. These are the coils, air cores. Secondaries with 200 windings, the primary 50 windings, and I have connected this high power LEDs. These are 10 watts, 33 volt. The experiment is very frequency depending and also depending of the position of the coils. You can see here at this point, test, you can see the effect is clearly here. Both LEDs are becoming brighter when I turn around one of the LEDs. The second coil is goes off. Okay. Now when I increase the coupling, of course it becomes brighter, but the effect is reversed. You see, it's very dependent on the position of the coils and also on the frequency. Maybe you move it only a very small amount and it's changing. Okay, I'm continue playing with this setup. I have now a plastic pipe filled with powdered iron as core. I'm a little bit short of cores, but I do what I can. And so I got a different point of tuning now. The frequency is a lot lower. I'm now in 4 kilohertz, 4.1 kilohertz, and a small duty cycle, very small duty cycle, about 3%. The power supply is hardly marking anything. Note that it is at 80 milliamps due to damage when no load. So, okay, the effect is still here. You cannot see a lot now because of the daylight. It's very hard to see. Now I have it in reverse direction, the diode. You can see it becomes less bright, the second coil. Now I turn it around, and here we go. Here is the effect. It's difficult to note, as I told, but it becomes a little bit brighter when I connect the LED. I noted that it's very much dependent on frequency, duty cycle, and also the distance of the coils. Now with the core it's a little bit easier to bring the coils closer together for a better coupling factor. We'll continue. Okay, here now I've got here this homemade ferrite block, which is the most hard to tune I found until now. But I got the effect. We are now at 4.11 kilohertz and about 6 or 7% of duty cycle. And the effect is not very strong, but it is here. I don't know if you can see it, because there is a lot of daylight now. It's difficult with the camera. But it becomes a little bit brighter, the second LED coil. It is very much dependent on frequency, duty cycle, and also the distance between the coils and the core material. So there are many things to take in account to show this effect, and it can be a little bit tricky. I will continue to see if I can get it with more current flowing.